55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. The National Weather Service The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Baxter County in North Central Arkansas, Searcy County in North Central Arkansas, Western Stone County in North Central Arkansas, Van Buren County in North Central Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from near Duff to near K2 near Broad Creek Lake and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Marshall, Clinton, Sac, Woolham, Watts, Tola, Shirley, Rocky Hill, Old Lexington, Mount Evans, Marcina, K, IMO, Evening Star, Alberta, Alba, Duff, Dabney. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Wednesday morning for Arkansas. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Boone County in North Central Arkansas, Johnson County in Western Arkansas, Marion County in North Central Arkansas, Newton County in North Central Arkansas, Northern Pope, Pope County in Central Arkansas, Northwestern Baxter County in North Central Arkansas, West Central Van Buren County in North Central Arkansas, Western Searcy County in North Central Arkansas until 10 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall along the line extending from 2 miles north of Lakeway to 3 miles northeast of Ludwig Lake. Doppler radar indicates 1 to 3 inches of rain have fallen over parts of the warned area in the past 2 hours with additional heavy rain expected. Flash flooding is likely to occur. While precipitation may taper off in some areas during the warning period, it will take some time for any high water to run off. Some locations that will experience flooding include Yellville, Lost Valley State Park, Jasper, Harrison, Clarksville, Bull Shoals, Sac, Woodland, Woods Spring, Winnington, Willis, Western Grove, Walnut, Valley Springs, Upper Buffalo Wilderness Area, Spadra, Solo, Smyrna. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.